Imagine this. You file for a marriage green card, and suddenly your marriage falls apart. Divorce happens, right? But what does it mean for your immigration status? Can you still get a green card? Or does everything stop right there? In today's video, I'll break down what divorce before your green card interview actually means, and what steps you can take to protect yourself. Hi, I'm Sharaque Khan, the South Asian attorney. I'm licensed to practice law in the US, and I help people worldwide with American immigration law. Marriage-based green cards are built on the idea of a bona fide marriage. That means your marriage must be genuine, not just for immigration purposes. But what if your relationship ends before USCIS has had the chance to interview you? Well, in this case, your petition is generally not valid. It's because your US citizen or green card holder spouse is the petitioner. They're the one sponsoring you. And once a divorce happens, they're no longer your spouse, which means the legal basis for the green card application disappears. So in most cases, the pending green card application will be considered abandoned or denied. But are there exceptions to this rule? Yeah, there are two ways where you still might qualify for a green card. Number one, VAWA self-petition. If your marriage ended because of abuse or extreme cruelty, you may be able to self-petition under VAWA, Violence Against Women Act. But it also applies to men. This allows you to continue your green card process without your spouse's help. If your spouse passed away during the green card process, you may be able to continue your case as a widow or a widower, provided your marriage is real and you file within the required time frame, usually 2 years. All right, so what happens if your divorce is not final yet? Sometimes couples file for divorce, but the divorce isn't finalized before the interview. But here's the thing. USCIS looks at whether you're legally married on the day of the interview. If you're separated and not divorced, you're still technically married. Here are some mistakes people make in this situation. Hiding the divorce or separation. USCIS will find out, so be truthful, always. Also assuming nothing can be done. In some cases, there are solutions like I mentioned above, so never assume that nothing can be done. If you're going through a divorce before your green card interview, talk to an immigration attorney right away. Every case is different. Don't skip your interview unless you're told otherwise by your lawyer. Gather documentation, especially if abuse was involved, or even if you think that you can qualify through another pathway. Plan ahead. Divorce doesn't mean your immigration journey is over, not by any means, but it does mean that you might need a new strategy. Divorce before a green card interview can feel like the end of the road, but it doesn't have to be. The key is understanding your rights, your options, and acting quickly. If you are in this situation, reach out for a consultation. I work with clients across the US and worldwide to navigate these complex issues. Book a consultation at southasianattorney.com. Subscribe for more updates on immigration law, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer. I'm Shariq Khan, the South Asian attorney, and I'll see you next time.